Now let's move on to number 4 on page 45. And this problem will help us understand the concept of the angle addition postulate. Given that point D is in the interior means on the inside of angle ABC. So it's always important to sketch the angle. So ABC, that means that the vertex is B. So this is B. And I can put A to be here and C to be here. Or I can exchange those two. So A could be here, so A, B, C. It doesn't really matter, so it's up to you. D is in the interior, means on the inside. So go ahead and label a point to be D. Describe how to determine the measure of angle ABC without measuring if you are given the measures of angle ABD and angle DBC. So let's connect B and D. So as you can see, the angle ABD is this whole thing. It is made up of two parts. It's made up of angle ABD and angle DBC. So I can say that the measurement of angle ABC, which is the whole, is equal to the measurement of angle ABD plus the measurement of angle DBC. And that's the angle addition postulate. The whole is equal to the parts, to the sum of the parts.